Journey with us as the vast Tuolumne River flows in the greater Yosemite region, unfolding over a 162-mile voyage across California. From the east side of Yosemite National Park, born atop the peaks of Mount Dana and Mount Lyell, the Tuolumne River travels down through the renowned Tuolumne Meadows, cascades through the Grand Canyons of the Sierra Nevada, and provides some of the finest tap water to nearly 3 million people in the San Francisco Bay Area. The Tuolumne connects all of us, from the hiker in Yosemite to the farmer in the Central Valley to the thirsty households of the Bay Area. But the Tuolumne isn't just a river, it's life. Home to unique species such as the Chinook salmon, the North American beaver, the beloved black bear, and the iconic giant sequoias. We collaborate with the local Miwok Nation and other community groups to protect the forests that surround the river while providing river access to many who are unable to connect with it. Since 1981, the Tuolumne River Trust has been a beacon of hope. We advocate for water policies that benefit both wildlife and the communities that rely on the river. We are moving into a future where political powers understand that we are not above and outside the natural world, but part of it. Whether through groundbreaking restoration, community empowerment, or unforgettable recreation, we stand for a brighter, balanced future. A future where forests rebound from wildfires, communities stand strong against climate change, and every individual feels the magic of the greater Yosemite region. The Tuolumne River Trust, where the legacy of nature meets the promise of tomorrow.